Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 35 lecture, we will talk about animation effect, fade in, fade out, rotation type, zoom in, zoom out. So let us elaborate this example. We will take a text view and 6 buttons. The buttons will be fade in, fade out, rotate, rotate to, zoom in and zoom out. When we click on that button, the appropriate text will be set and the effect will be applied on that text. Okay, so now open your Android Studio from File, New project, Empty Activity, Next. Then here give the name of your application, my animation, new, whatever you want to give. Then language is Java and the API level is 15. Click on finish. So our project has been loaded. Now it is ready for use. We will assign the coordinates for this text view. Let us say 80 and 350 from this side and 120, and from this side also 120. Okay, so we have to manage this. Then we will add 4 buttons. So here the first button I am dropping. From this side we will have 80, upward it is also 80, from down it is 350, and here fade in effect. Similarly the another button, add 0. Okay, so here the fade out, fade in, fade out. Then we will have rotation, the buttons, set the coordinates for this. Here rotate, another button, here rotate 2, now next button, we'll take 80, and this one is the zoom in. And the last button is the zoom out. Here we will add zoom out. Okay, now let us run this configuration to check the positions in a landscape view. It has been finished. Now you can see. Okay, we will manage these buttons. So this is what we have created, the text view. You can see the coordinates for this text view. Then we have button 1 fade in, the coordinates for this one. Button 2 fade out, coordinates for this button 2 fade out. Then button 3 rotate, the coordinates for this button. Button 4 rotate 2, these are the effect and the coordinates for this one. Button 5 zoom in, the coordinates for this, and zoom out. Okay, now let us have the look. Okay, so it has been launched now. Now you can see fade in, fade out, rotate, rotate 2, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, whenever we click on this, the corresponding effect will be present over here. Now let us add the animation file in the res folder. So go to res, show in explorer, so in res we have to create a new folder, new directory called anim, and we have to save the animation file here, the XML files. So I have some predefined file on my desktop, so I am loading this file, fade in, fade out, rotate, rotate 2, zoom in and zoom out, and I am adding to the anim folder which we have created in res. Okay, so this folder is created in res, then in anim I am pasting the files. Now I am closing this. You can see these files are present in the anim folder. So this is what the setting for the fade in effect. Okay, then fade out, these are the effect for fade out. Rotate, rotate 2, zoom in and zoom out. So these are the XML files for the animations. Fade in, fade out, rotate, rotate 2, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so now fine, we will go to our main activity file. Here we have to create the button object. Button, we have 6 button. Okay, b1 comma b2 comma b3 comma b4 comma b5 comma b6. So these 6 buttons corresponds to the fade in, fade out, rotate 1, rotate 2, zoom in and zoom out, and we have to create the animation object. Animation, again 6, am1, am2, am3, am4, am5 and am6. Okay, so now we will initialize the button as well as the animations. So b1 equal to button, find view by id, r dot id dot button 1. Okay, similarly b2 equal to button, find view by id, r dot id dot button 2. Then b3 button, find view by id, r dot id dot button 3. Then b4 button find view by id r dot id dot button 4. Similarly b5 equal to button find view by id r dot id dot button 5, and the last b6 equal to button find view by id r dot id dot button 6. And one more thing, we have the text view, so we will initialize the text view as final text view tv equal to text view find view by id r dot id dot text view. So we have the id for this text view also. So tv dot set text size, we will set it to the 18, and we will set the color tv dot set text color, so color dot red. So we are setting color for that also. Now we have to initialize the animations. We have 6 XML files in our anim folder: fade in, fade out, rotate to, zoom in and zoom out. So that we have to assign to animation object. So am1 equal to animation utils, and here dot load animation, in bracket we have to pass the get base context, comma r dot anim, the folder which we have created, anim dot, and now we have the fade in effect. Okay. Similarly for am2 animation utils dot load animation, then get base context, then r dot anim dot now fade in, fade out. Okay. Then am3 equal to animation utils dot load animation, get base context, comma r dot anim dot rotate. So for the button 3 now, sorry, animation 3, animation 4 equal to animation utils dot load animation, get base context, comma r dot anim dot rotate to, this is the second rotation effect. Then am5 animation 5 equal to animation utils dot load animation, get base context, comma r dot anim dot now here zoom in, and the last one is the am6 equal to animation utils dot load animation, get base context, comma r dot anim dot the last one is the zoom out. So these are the 6 effects we are adding. So now we will apply the on click listener to each of the button. So b1 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So now here tv dot set text, we will set text as here zoom fade in effect. Okay, so that we are setting, and tv dot load animation, set animation am1. So this is what for the fade in effect. So b2 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So again here tv dot set text, now here fade out fade out effect we are setting, and then TV dot set animation here AM2. Now again B3 dot set on click listener, new on click listener, then TV dot set text. Now here rotate effect, and then TV dot set animation AM3 now here. Okay. Then B4 dot set on click listener, new on click listener, TV dot set animation here AM4, and TV dot set text here rotate to effect, second rotate effect. Okay, so now B5 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Now here TV dot set text, here zoom in effect. Okay, and TV dot set animation here AM5, and the last one is the B6 dot set on click listener, new on click listener, TV dot set text. Here what we have to set, zoom out. Zoom out effect, and TV dot set animation AM6. So this is what we have set for all the buttons, the animation effect. So now let us run this configuration. You can see 6 buttons, text view, and 6 animations which we have assigned, and the on click listener and corresponding text and animation we have set. Now let us run this configuration. It is installing. Now the activity has been launched. Okay, so when I click on fade in, you can see the effect, fade in. When I click on fade out, you can see the fade out. Rotate, then rotate 2, second rotation which is slow. Zoom in, and the zoom out. So when you click on any effect, that will be appear to your text. You can see. Rotation time, and so on. So this is what we have added animation in our program, and this is what the output. So this is all about how to add the animation effect in Android. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and like and comment to it. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.